Someone you are glad to go into 2022 with. Instagram changed the way. Hello guys, and welcome to our channel. So in this video I'll show you how to do this viral trend right here, so keep on watching. First of all, we have to click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen, and here you have to search for my account, which is Ali and John YTT. And then from my page you have to go to 2022 stickers. Let me refresh it because it's a new highlight. So you have to go to 2022 sticker at highlight. This is the newest highlight. And here you will find this second story, someone you are glad to go into 2022 with. So yeah guys, from here you have to click on the add yours button, and if you are not able to click on the add yours button, once I'll do the story for the video, I'll show you from where you can get a tutorial if you are not able to click on the add yours button. So now let me first do the story. So you can go to your upload and choose a photo with someone you are glad to go into 2022 with. So I will go with this photo. You can place your sticker where you want, and once you're happy with it, you can share it with your friends. So guys, now if you are not able to click on the add yours button, what can you do? You have to go once again on my Instagram page to super viral at highlights. And here you'll find this first story. Not able to click on add yours button, then you can click on this YouTube link right here, which is a YouTube tutorial which will help you solve your problem. So please follow the steps in that video. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video and you can also subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.